and I want to thank all involved in securing his success, particularly his colleague John McGuinness TD, who worked extremely hard on his behalf. And I note, and clearly, clearly worked harder than those who were heckling for the back benches, because
the result is on this side.
and I don't want to be. I don't want to be over. I don't want to be over. I don't want to be over party political on this occasion, but there is a matter of 28 points decline in terms of the government performance. But in any event, I want to thank our deputies and Deputy Barry Cowan for his outstanding stewardship as Director of Elections. Thank you very much, Ceann Comhairle.
Taoiseach. Ceann Comhairle, in the spirit of Comhairle this here, I was going to say, in this business you win some and you lose some, but I would like to say, Deputy Martin, congratulations to Bobby Aylward and to the Fianna Fáil party on winning the by-election. Don't take too much advice from the men beside you, because you'll be away on holidays all the time. When I was down there, So, Comhairle, Deputy Aylward, and good fortune to you for the time that you're here. Don't put the posters too high up in the hayshed, because you might have to get them out sometime, before the end of spring 2016. So keep them fresh. Congratulations again, and good luck to you.
Deputy Kathleen Lynch, on behalf of the Tánaiste.
Could I just, on behalf of the Labour Party, congratulate Bobby. It's not our first time serving together, Bobby, and I think the place was the poorer for you not being here, let's say. And I'm standing today basically to try and inject a little bit of gender balance, and it's. But congratulations, and I do agree with the.
Now, Bobby, as you know, would totally understand ground hurling. And as you know, Micheál and myself, we had a bad day yesterday in Dublin Bay North, but we're going to talk to Bobby over the next 24 hours to see can we get back on the pitch and get back in business. So finally, Ceann Comhairle, I want to wish Bobby well. There's a lot. There's a seat over here for Bobby as well if he ever gets a bit wobbly in any issues. Finally, Ceann Comhairle, I just want to wish Bobby well. It's a fantastic.
It's been a very enjoyable campaign. It has probably laid the foundation for what will be a very enjoyable campaign in little less than a year. I look forward to taking on that challenge in the time to come. I look forward to seeing yourself and Deputy McGuinness going hand in hand around the constituency this time next year. Thank you again.
Thank you. Deputy McGuinness, do you wish to say something?
As a member of the House who nominated Bobby Aylward to contest the by-election and who contributed hugely to his campaign, and finally, may I just say to the political parties, those that fought the conventions and came out and were supported, that the same thing happens in Fine Gael as happens in Fianna Fáil and every other party, Deputy Deering. I doubt if I'll see you walk in the streets holding hands with John Bryan. And I doubt if John Paul will hold hands with him either. And I'm sure the Taoiseach is not too impressed with the way that she dealt with John Bryan at the convention. So every political party has a story to tell. But congratulations to Bobby, it's his day today.
As you can see, demonstrated by all the other TDs as well, we are one big happy family all across Carlow, Kilkenny. And
I note from looking across that Bobby got his tan on the highways and byways of Carlow, Kilkenny. There are others sitting close to him who got their tans elsewhere during the course of the by-election campaign. But it's not a day for party.